voting on that tutorial request poll. So I'm going to show you the trick first and then I'll break it down. Before we get started, I'm just going to ask you guys a quick favor. Can you guys please comment and let me know what type of tutorials that you guys prefer from me? Is it the type that I'm going to deliver now, which is when I explain the trick live to you? Or do you prefer voiceovers where I tape it and then voice over the recording? So just let me know, thanks. So this is what the trick is. And you guys know that I like to encourage both sides. Bam. So your first prerequisite is going to be a backward folding down escalator with an extra arm wrap. Lots of words, but this is what it looks like. I am considering that a prerequisite, so I'm not going to break that down. If you do need a tutorial, just shoot me a comment or a message. I'll be happy to do that. So with that being said, there is a point at which when you go on the down escalator, your hoop will be in this position. You can see that it is behind my body and kind of framing my body. This timing is very important. This is the point at which you need to wrap the same arm that you did the escalator with around the front of the hoop. So during the down escalator, then you're going to bring your arm in front of the hoop so that the hoop is in the hinge of your elbow. Bring it around to capture the hoop here. You can see my palm is facing outward, and now I have tension and I've stopped the hoop. That's your break. From that break, now that you have that tension, you can control the hoop, you can just fold it out to complete the trick. And that's it. I actually recommend that it may be helpful for you to do the arm wrap down escalator and go ahead and just like prepare to catch it. Because then you can figure out, okay, this is the time at which I need to wrap the front of my hoop in front of my face for the tension and stop. Now, once you understand that concept of the timing that you need to come around and complete the trick, now you understand the timing. Now it's just a matter of getting your arm in there fast enough when it's live. So here it is in real time. Real time as in I'm not stopping the hoop with my hand like I was before. So without the other hand, it's in front of my face. Stop it before it hits your face. That's kind of how I thought about it when I first started. And then go. So one more time, reverse escalator with extra arm wrap. Before it hits your face, stop it and keep going. And I'll do it one last time in slow motion. If you have any questions, as always, please comment and I'm happy to answer them. Thank you.